It is day 19 of bagging. We have the home tour tomorrow. So we came out today, which is a Saturday, and we finished up course number 13, I think it is. Thomas is just finishing tamping right there. Grandpa watched Carla today for us, so we could get it done. It's up there pretty good ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, number 13. We're gonna have about 15 people in 6 groups come out tomorrow and take a look at the house, and we'll tell them what we're doing and tell them a little bit about it. He must be exhausted. Tamping is the hardest job. That thing's really heavy and you have to hit each bag probably 15 times. But it's important. We'll come out tomorrow and probably pick up some trash, make the place look a little bit more presentable. But I don't think we're going to get any bags done tomorrow. Carla's here now. Went home and picked her up. She's hanging out in the front seat. You've never been in the front seat before, have you? Carla. You're so pretty. Your blue eyes match your blue shirt. Can you see yourself? Mama flipped the viewfinder around for you. Let's see. There's a baby. That's a funny noise. No, don't play with that. Let go. Let go. There you go. There's the baby. How do we do this? Give the baby a kiss. Give the baby a kiss.
Day 20 of bagging. We're on course 14. The wind's blowing too bad to tamp it out now, so we're probably going to have to come back later and tamp it.
It is February 11th. Not real sure what day of bagging it is. We just finished up the 15th course. Thomas is tamping it down. Right now it's really high up there. I can't reach the top of it. We've got black plastic up over pretty much everywhere where the sun hits the most, especially the afternoon sun, since in the mornings most of it is shaded by the shed.